So, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon for the basement talk. Tonight we have in production a dice tower on number 2, and we've been using number 1 in the normal way to produce parts for our wind turbine. I'm probably not very good of placing all the printed and good materials next to the trash, because I'm not quite sure if I already lost some of the parts here. So clean the bed, and I will have to print some. I have to print a cooler, a better cooler for this one here. This is just the stock Ender. And I'm planning on doing a little upgrades with this one for the time being. We are running off rainbow filament. It is a Sunlu filament, and we're doing good. And this one is in 21 hours. We have 1 day and I think about 9 hours total print time. So it'll take another night until it's finished. But well, this one is going strong. It's sticking to the bed, and we don't have any issues for now with this one. It's also very nicely structured inside. Nice print for no stringing at the moment. Perfectly dried material. Normally I store those down here in casings with just either silicone bags or with a special drying pad you can buy in your local Home Budget or in the Home Depot store. So for now, this one is going strong and coming out very nicely. So any questions you have, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be glad to answer all the questions. If you have more infos needed from the printer settings and everything, I'm glad to share all of those. And yeah, happy printing, everybody.